Good afternoon. So I am in Si Lom now. Actually, to be clear, I am in Patpong. So I just wanted to show you how Patpong looks at the moment. Obviously it's in the daytime now, it's about 3 o'clock. It looks like it's gonna rain. I mean, the clouds are gathering and getting into formations to make me wet. But let's see what happens. Anyway, the Patpong market hasn't been open since the beginning of COVID actually. And well, the people that might know Patpong is one of the original red light districts in Bangkok. But now during the day it's safe for me to cruise through here. And yeah, if you come here in the evening, more than half of the bars are not open. So yeah, what I said, I thought it was a nice idea to just give a little update. I also had some people asking me about the situation in Si Lom. So yeah, where I started, that's Saladeng BTS station. And yeah, that's on the dark green BTS line, which comes from National Stadium. Yeah, like everything in Bangkok, this area is not very active at the moment. Normally when there is tourists, it's super busy. This bai doesn't have a ladyboy, okay? I don't think that has anything at the moment. So yeah, this building here in front is the Ashton Si Lom. Just this little side note. So I'm now walking to Surah Wong Road. Well, as you can see, there's not much going on in this street. But yeah, what I said, it's in the middle of the day, so in the night it's gonna be alive a little bit more. But still, there's not a lot. Surah Wong Street is a parallel street of Si Lom. So Si Lom Road is where you have the BTS. And Surah Wong is actually quite a nice road. There's a few nice buildings here and temples. And here, for example, this is a very nice complex. It has the temple style, but it is actually a kind of shopping mall. Yeah, you have a few bars like here, like Shenanigans. Yeah, where I just came out from is Patpong Soi 1. And I'm gonna walk back through, well, I can see now that they call it the Pavilion Place. I never knew that. The Pavilion Place in Patpong. Yeah, here also in this street you have the Padpong Museum. I've never been there. I should go and have a look one time. Yeah, the daytime is a good time to do some renovations. Yeah, but what I said, even if you come here in the nighttime, there's quite a few bars that are closed at the moment. And, I know the last couple of, I'm making a lot of different movies, and some of them are about the progress that Bangkok is making, like the modern times and the upgrades and everything. Yeah, but also I think it is not bad to show the effects that COVID has. So for example, this used to be a bar here on the corner, which is completely closed down now. Here upstairs is a place called the Black Pagoda. And inside here you have the Padpong Museum. And there's a foodland here. I already told you in another movie that I made that this is one of my favorite places for getting cheese. Yeah, so I'm heading back now towards Si Lom and Saladeng. I mean, the people that know Bangkok, they know this place. It's not much that I can add in words. Till now I've been lucky. I mean, it didn't start raining yet, but I think that's just a matter of time. Yeah, so Patpong, if you go to the Padpong Museum, I mean, what I said, I haven't been there yet, but I've seen some videos about it, and I know the owners, and it seems to be very interesting. It's about the whole history, how the Patpong area started, and it's telling the whole story how the original Patpong family bought the land here, and yeah, it's just very interesting. So I should definitely go and have a look. Okay, so I'm at the main Si Lom street again, and I'm gonna walk in the direction of the Saladeng BTS. So there is a BTS station that connects here with the MRT. So you have the Si Lom MRT and the Saladeng BTS. So both of them are good for getting around in the city. And this is a new building that they're building here on the corner. It's the Park Si Lom. I mean, this used to be a small shopping area, and they really had really good chicken. You know, like chicken on a stick. We call it satay in Holland. And unfortunately, that's all. YouTuber, yeah, the people start recognizing the YouTubers. I mean, it's like YouTubers now are a plague of the city. There are so many people walking around making videos and talking out of their whatever. So that's funny. No, so what I said, I remember that was a very nice place. They had some really nice street food over there, but unfortunately it's closed down now. So I'm at the Saladeng BTS station. I will give you a small show. There's a street here which is only for Japanese customers. So it's Japanese bars, Japanese restaurants, but it's completely dead at the moment. But I give you a small peek in there. And here on the corner there used to be a Hooters, which closed down. Yeah, one of the many victims of COVID, or maybe just very high rental prices. I don't know. You know, sometimes I assume that people close because of COVID, but it can also be because the rental prices of the properties are too high. So this is Thaniya. So I'll just have a quick walk through here. As you can see, everything here is in Japanese. So the other day I uploaded a video about the soy Arab, and you could say this is soy Yipun, which means Japanese street. Yeah, I see there's a big construction going on here. The future of Thaniya. Again, now in the day, this street is not very interesting. I mean, it's just any other street, but just with a lot of Japanese signs. But normally in the evening here, it's packed with people, a lot of lights, and what I said, all catered for Japanese customers. I mean, there's a lot of places where I cannot even get in because they don't need the foreigners. Across the street here. Yeah, again, what I said the other day also, I mean, the good thing about Bangkok is that you have so many different cultures. What I really love about Bangkok is the crossroads of cultures. It's in Southeast Asia, but it is the place where the Western Europeans, Australians, Americans connect and with the Asian cultures. So I'm talking India, Japan, China, Korea. Everything comes together here and everybody brings their own culture with them. So the Japanese community brings really good Japanese restaurants, the Koreans bring the Korean restaurants, and yeah, I mean, it's just a very nice way to get a taste of the world. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you guys here. I was lucky the rain didn't catch me. So I am heading now to the BTS and I'm heading home. And I hope you enjoyed this little update about Bangkok. And I hope to see you and catch you guys in my next video. See you later.